Once your tank has been unloaded, you'll need to clean the tank. And so in cleaning the tank, you'll be scrubbing the tank walls and the bottom, and then all PVC to remove spat or other biofouling organisms or detritus that has collected there during the period of time that you've used the tank for setting. Now, when you're finished setting for the year, you wanna bring the pumps inside so that they're not sitting outside in the harsh winter conditions all winter. Also bring the blower inside and keep that in a garage or somewhere that it stays out of the elements during the winter. And critically, you'll also open all valves on your seawater lines and your aeration lines and drain all of the water from those lines before winter. And then the system can sit outside with all valves open and drains open through the winter until you're ready to get it set up again and set the next spring.